Cloudflare is very well suited to us TypeScript developers, but if you're like me, you've almost certainly dealt with frustrations of managing Wrangler configuration, having to rerun worker binding type generation, and other rough edges, things that should be easy, like configuring preview deployments in CI. These things are really hard to get right. Thankfully, we now have Alchemy. Alchemy lets us model Cloudflare resources by simply calling functions in TypeScript. Await the function call, and you get back information about the resource. We run this script by using Alchemy's deploy command. By default, the current state of our resources is saved as plain JSON in our project. This makes it very easy to inspect and debug. Alternatively, we can store the deployment state in Cloudflare itself, so Alchemy gives us a very clear way of managing our resources, and it covers the entire development lifecycle. During development, we run Alchemy dev to simulate Cloudflare locally. This feature is technically in preview, but already works quite well for workers and Vite-based web applications. We've never been able to iterate this fast. So how is Alchemy this fast? For one, it doesn't rely on a service like CloudFormation to diff the states of your resources. And the other reason, and to me the really exciting reason, is it's TypeScript native. There's no underlying JSII process or Go process, no corresponding bridge. Alchemy is just calling fetch to apply the diff between the current state and the next state in a given order. Meanwhile, the experience is highly optimized for TypeScript. Our Alchemy infrastructure definitions serve as a source of truth from which we can infer the static types of worker bindings. Here, for instance, a narrowly typed Q client. This is wild. We get that type safety with no out-of-band code generation step. We don't need to deal with domain-specific languages like HCL or unfamiliar mental models. We have a unified and very minimal but expressive TypeScript experience wherein we just call functions. So if you're fighting with Cloudflare's tooling or control plane, give Alchemy a run.